China Beauty Expo 2026. I've got some free time. I would like to introduce more exhibitors. And let's just walk along this aisle. It's the Hall-E3. White Forest. It's absolutely busy, overcrowded. So which means it's worth to participate into this fair. You can get a lot of potential buyers and customers without any problems. They've got some promotions here. Very nice. And new products, maybe. Let's go and check another one. So most of them are the domestic ones, and they are doing pretty well. That one is from South Korea. So everyone likes being pretty or handsome. So we need a lot of cosmetics, makeup. Do you wear the makeup? Do you have any special care for your complexion or your skin? It's a good idea to keep young, to keep fit. Not fit, maybe, keep young. That one is from New Zealand. Very busy. This fair has been 30 years from its inception in 1996, I think. 30 years exactly. TM, skincare, GIK. It has a promotion here. She's quite elegant. That one is from South Korea. It's absolutely fashionable and chic. A lot of young people. When you are here, you can get a lot of vibes and energy. Everyone is pretty happy and cheerful. Look at that logo. Skin 1004. That name is quite special. Sudi. From Switzerland. Nature Lab. That one's from South Korea. Wow, it's absolutely crowded. overcrowded. The business is superb. If you are into this video, please give me a like. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you so much for your company. Bye bye everyone. See you. Bye bye.